This is 97.5 Grant Street. It's on the back half of 97 Grant Street. It's actually the back part of the building. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. It's a 2-story townhouse style. So you come into the first floor. This is actually being worked on right now, so it's a little bit in disarray, but at least you can see the layout and so forth. It does have hardwood floors. It has a hot water baseboard heat that's been installed, but it still has the old forced hot air vents in the floors, but it does have hot water baseboard heat. Now, this is the kitchen. The kitchen has new flooring. It's the composite vinyl plank flooring. It's got a fridge, it's got a electric stove, got some cupboards on this wall. Have a couple of windows over here. This has a new sink with a nice new faucet. And so the owner decided that it would be nice to have a washer-dryer hookup here. So really the only place that they could put it was in this little slot here. So the only thing that is going to fit here is a stackable, which is fine. So they are right here. You have your vent in that corner. There are your hoses and electrical. So if they would have to come through this door here, which goes out to the porch, which is the way that we came in. That door is large enough to bring them in through there because it's really not going to be enough room when the kitchen is finished. But that should not be an issue to get them in through that door. Back out to this way. This would basically be a dining room, but it could be used as an office. Most people don't do dining rooms, but you have this little area here. Again, this is the entryway. This would be the living room. And lots of light here. And then on the second floor, you have your bedrooms. Have a nice old-fashioned window here. Those are always nice features. New flooring here on the second floor. This is a really, really good sized bedroom. Has some nice tall windows here. Then you have your closet. On this side, you have a really large bedroom. It's very long. And then you have a nice big closet here. And again, you have all nice new flooring up here. It's the luxury vinyl composite flooring. And then you have this bathroom. This has been redone. It has a nice new vanity, new faucet. Here you have a shower. And then there's a little shelf over here for storage and so forth. And then you have a shelf over here. Storing linens or towels and things like that. And then you have a towel rack here. And then this window is at the top of the stairs. And this door goes up to the attic, which, again, old building, so it has an old attic, totally unfinished. Could be used for storage. But again, unfinished, wouldn't be able to be used as living space because it's not heated, but that's what that door goes to. So again, back to the first floor. So all utilities are included except electric and internet. If you're interested, you can give us a call at 207-974-6606 or visit our website at rentbangor.com.